guys, and welcome to our lipstick. So today I'm going to be showing you kind of my daily morning workout routine. Not always in the morning, sometimes I do it during my lunch break at work because I get about an hour, but this is what I do every day while I'm trying to get this baby weight off of me. So I wanted to show you kind of a little bit of my workout setup and what I've been taking and eating and all of that fun stuff. So let's go. Gonna start my workout now. I just realized you guys can't see anything down here, so this is not going to work out. But we have a treadmill and a recumbent bike and an elliptical in our basement, and that is where I work out every day. So I just did 30 minutes on the recumbent bike because today is a cardio day. So I alternate between cardio days, a leg day, arm day, and then a core day. So that's what I do. Today was cardio day, like I said. So on a cardio day, I'll usually either do, sorry, I'm out of breath. On a cardio day, I'll either usually do the recumbent bike for 30 minutes, the treadmill intervals for 30 minutes, or I'll work out on the elliptical for 30 minutes. So kind of depends, but today was recumbent bike. So once I get my breath back, I'm going to show you guys kind of what I've been taking as far as supplementation and eating my breakfast. So that was my workout for the day. Let's get on into it. So I want to talk a little bit about this right here. This was actually sent to me, and usually I'm kind of iffy about including stuff like this in my videos and recommending products, but this was really, really good. And this has made me lose 4 pounds in 1 week, combined with my exercise program and my eating. So I am really happy about this product. This is from Quivaro. It's an ultra advanced protein complex. It's a whey protein supplement and great for adding additional protein to your diet. It's got 22 grams of protein, extra calcium, it's low fat, and this one that I have here is coconut cream, and it tastes absolutely delicious. So if you don't like coconut, you're not going to like it because it is very coconutty. It reminds me of a pina colada. It is so good. I like to mix mine in my little Ninja thing here. This is my Ninja. I just add a little bit of ice, fill it up with water, and then add the scoop of the Quivaro. So it is so good. And what's exciting about this, maybe TMI, but it kind of regulated my body. So I have issues with regulating my body when it comes to that. So this did a really good job of that. I was a lot more regular, and that hasn't happened in a really long time, which is why I love this product so much and want to recommend it. If you have issues with regular bowel movements and things like that, definitely check it out. It's a good protein supplement. I really like it. It also mixes really well, and it doesn't have that super powdery taste like a lot of these products do. So next up, we're going to work on my breakfast, and for breakfast today, I'm just going to have some yogurt and berries. So here's my breakfast. I've just got some blueberries. I'm going to take about a handful, and then I'm going to take about a cup of this organic whole milk yogurt. And this actually I share with my son. I usually wouldn't get whole milk kind. I would usually get like low fat or something like that. But this is all we have right now. But this is the Stonyfield Organic. I don't really care what brand it is. Usually I use Okies. Is that what it's called? My family always calls it Oinkies because, I don't know, we're weird. But I usually get that brand with the plain flavor, and then what I do is I just add a little Splenda to it so it's a little bit more tasty, and this is what I have for breakfast. So that is my morning routine of working out. I just really wanted to mention this product here because it's been so good to me. So definitely check it out. I will have all the links down below in the comment section, or not in the comment section, in the info section for you to check out this product. And I hope you really enjoy it as much as I have been. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or leave me a comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.